G'day crew, it's Zoe here with this stupid set of antlers on her head because it's Christmas, why not? I just want to check in to see how you guys are going on this lovely day. How are you feeling? Are you enjoying time with the family or with loved ones, or enjoying time with your pets? Personally, I'm enjoying a little bit of a sleep in and just enjoying a little bit of time, you know, with the family and just being like, snuggy snuggy. And this video was recorded like back in early December, so I think we're all good. But I just want to comment and see how you guys are going. We've got a lot of stuff planned for the new year. You'll be seeing a few videos from us, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the 12 Tools of Christmas series that we've been doing, but also the video that is going to come up today. I realized that we're going to post this before, so in about an hour, or about 2 hours I should say, you're going to get a video that you're going to absolutely love. So I really hope you enjoy it. It's a present from us. Merry Christmas, and make sure you stick tuned for that. All right, bye.